Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are wondering why I have shades on inside the house, it's because I am on my way to Ikea. So we made it back home from Ikea hours ago. And they didn't have anything that I was looking for. Let me turn this light on. They didn't have anything I was looking for, but I ended up ordering it online. And it will be here on the 20th. But I did pick up some really cute glasses. So cute. And this is, I think, like the white wine glass. I think the smaller glasses are the white wine glass and the larger ones are the red wine, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, here's this one. It's really cute. So I got two of those and then the bigger one. Cute, right? I have to hold it against the wood so you guys can see it. But I love them. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So nice. And I think this one was, well, here's the code number. If you guys want to get you some. So you want to have a cute little girls' night, or you're relaxing by yourself, or, you know, you and your man. If your man drinks wine. My man don't drink wine. He'll taste it, but he's not a big wine drinker. But yeah. Very nice. And everybody loved these canisters. Like, my Instagram account went crazy when I posted this on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it is IAMSHERIKAB. Check me out. But everybody thought that these were so cute. And I agree. This is what I went to Ikea for. It is the Vitz Joe. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's $79.99. The guy said that they would not be back in stock until next month. They were getting like 18 in, so I didn't feel like waiting, so I went ahead and ordered it online. I was so sad though, because I like to get my stuff same day, but I'll wait. It'll be here on the 20th. And then this is the lamp that I got. I just ordered one just because I'm not too sure how it would look with two. But if I think I need, you know, if I think the space needs two, then I'll order another one. But this lamp was $59.99. So they'll both be here on the 20th. I did have to pay a delivery fee of, I think, like $40. So my total was about, I think, like $198 for the two pieces, which I'm okay with that. It'll be here next week, so super happy. 2, 3. Good morning, y'all. Excuse the low energy. My auntie Flo is kicking my behind. Yesterday was the worst day that I've ever had with my cycle. Yesterday it felt like I was trying to get some cramps. Y'all know I told y'all before that I don't get cramps. I'm one of the lucky ones, but this morning when I woke up, I don't know what was going on. I told Tony to buy me some Midol. I've never taken Midol in my life, but I had to take some this morning, and then I ended up laying back down and taking a quick nap. So I knew I had to go ahead and finish out this vlog, so I pulled myself out of bed, put my hair in a ponytail, and we're gonna go up front. I'm gonna make some sushi. I'm not gonna show you guys how I make all of the sushi, but I'll make the easiest one on camera, because honestly I'm not feeling that great today. So I did tell you guys that I will show you how I do it. It's really simple. So I'm gonna make probably the easiest roll to make, which is the Philadelphia roll. That's little Tony's favorite roll. So let's go in the kitchen. I'll show you guys how I do this really quick, and then I just probably will end up relaxing for the rest of the day, because I'm telling y'all, I'm not feeling it. Usually like the first, I stay on for a while, so usually like the first 2 or 3 days I'm feeling really bad. My stomach gets big, I feel tight, and it's not fun. So I'm gonna get up, do this for you guys, because I told you guys that I'll show you, and I want some sushi too. I did eat some Cheerios this morning, so I'm pretty hungry. It's about 3 o'clock. So let's go in the kitchen and make some sushi. So this is pretty much everything that you would need to make your sushi. Now I'm doing the Philadelphia roll for little Tony because that's his favorite. So you're gonna need some plastic wrap. This is the nori seaweed that you wrap your sushi in. I told y'all about this the other day. This is the instant sushi seasoning for your sushi rice. This is the sushi rice. The Philadelphia roll has the imitation crab meat, so I have some of that. I picked this up from Walmart. And then cream cheese. This is from the Asian market, and I picked this up from the Asian market. Sometimes you can find it in Walmart. And this was from Walmart, and then the sushi rice is from the Asian market. And then you would just need one of these bamboo mats. I picked this up from the Asian market, and this is just what you use to roll the sushi and hold everything together. So I've never tried this sushi powder vinegar before, but I'm gonna try this for the first time because I have a problem with making the sushi rice on my own. Trying to use that rice vinegar, it never turns out right. So the girl told me to use this. So I'm gonna follow the directions, and then we'll roll some sushi. Now another thing that I like to do is get a little bit of warm water just for your hands, because the rice is pretty sticky and I don't have any gloves. So okay, put all my stuff up here. Hopefully y'all can see it. So we have the sticky rice, this is the water, and the cream cheese and the imitation crab meat. So you get your nori sheet. Some rice and just spread it all over the sheet. Then we're gonna flip it over and add your fillings. And this is just one piece of the imitation crab meat. I just cut it in half. And just start rolling it up. Cover it with a piece of saran wrap or plastic wrap. And take your bamboo mat. Anything else hit? Over. Rinse this one. Take a knife and slice. right, y'all, so this is the disaster that happened while I was making sushi. It gets really, really messy, but the sushi turned out really pretty. Here is our setup. This is something like the volcano roll. It didn't turn out exactly like theirs, but we worked it out. And this one has shrimp, cream cheese, shrimp, cream cheese, asparagus, and the stuff that's on top, I put it in this. Then this one has the imitation crab meat, Philadelphia cheese inside, and avocado on top. And then this one, I got a little creative. I did some guacamole on top of the rice, Philly cheese, and imitation crab meat. Got the edamame. We got some yum yum sauce and eel sauce. So that is it. See you guys on the next video.